Extended Read 1. Remember to annotate as you read.
Our Government's Laws by Kathy Fergang. Introduction. Every country has a government. A government is a group of people. The people work together to make important decisions for the country. The government of the United States of America is called the federal government. Each state has its own government. That is called the state government. Most cities and towns also have a government. That is called the local government. Why does the government make laws? All governments make laws. A law is a rule that everyone has to follow. A government makes laws to keep citizens safe. For example, there are many laws about car seat belts. Before 1984, no one had to wear a seat belt. Then state governments began to pass seatbelt laws. Now every child in a car must wear a seatbelt. That is the law. In most states, adults must wear seatbelts too. Anyone who does not is breaking the law. How does the government keep order? Laws help the government keep order. Laws tell people what they can and cannot do. For example, there are many laws about driving. There are laws about how fast a car can go. There are laws about which streets cars can drive down. There are laws about where a car can be parked. There are even laws about when and where it is allowed to honk a car horn. Police officers work for the government. Some work for the local government. Some work for the state government. Others work for the federal government. They all work to make sure people follow the laws. What happens when a law gets broken? Many things can happen when a law gets broken. Here is an example. When a school bus has stopped to let students get on or off, a car is not allowed to pass the school bus. An accident could happen. It is against the law for a car to pass a school bus that has stopped for students. One day, a driver does not stop. He drives past a school bus that has stopped for students. A police officer sees this. He goes after the car. He makes the driver stop. The officer writes a ticket and gives it to the driver. The ticket says which law the driver broke. The ticket also lists a fine. The driver may have to pay a fine.